on the streets of Athens with the latest. Thank you very much.
I'll tell you what.
All right, now we're to Brian.
Now, for something totally different. No background check, no problem. New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio just passed a law that bans employers from asking about an applicant's criminal history, the criminal history past, before making them a job offer. So, is it time to give criminals a chance to start fresh? And is this fair to employers? Joining us now to debate this is Saima Zubori, a labor and employment attorney, and Alicia Aguilera, the political director of Vocal New York. Now, Alicia, you're happy about this.
Absolutely.
Why?
You know, really what this is about it's not a bill that's going to bar you from asking about criminal record history. You can still ask. All it does is say, let's delay it in the process. So if somebody has a criminal record, they're able to show, you know, who they are, their resume, be judged on their merits and qualifications. So not the worst thing they've ever done.
So if I serve some jail time and I come in, you can ask me if you own that deli down the block, have I ever been to jail? But I could say anything.
Well, yeah, of course, you know, anybody can always say anything, but now what this law will do is say that any employer in the private sector can't ask about criminal record history on the application or also in the interview process.
They call ban this box because you're not supposed to, there's no longer going to be a question on an application that says, do you have a criminal history?
Yes.
Is there a problem with that?
Well, while the goal of certainly helping individuals with criminal background histories to get another chance at finding employment is certainly laudable, this is a concern for employers because this law affects employers in New York City of all sizes of at least 4 or more employees.
So do you think it's not fair to businesses then? So I have to know who I'm hiring. I have very little margin for error.
It's concerning for businesses, and it would be burdensome for businesses to comply.
But you certainly understand how people who do want a second chance, but at least let the employers go in with their eyes open.
Certainly, and the thing about the New York City law is that it's a blunt instrument that imposes a one-size-fits-all approach, which I mentioned is certainly laudable, but it could be expensive for employers who don't have the means or resources to comply.
Do you understand how an employee does?
Absolutely, and I think the thing to be clear is this is not a new concept. Article 23A law of New York State already says that you cannot discriminate against people based on their conviction histories.
Right.
All this does is creates a process. It's fair for employers because it says this is how you operate, this is how you consider a background, and it's fair for applicants because, you know, they have a chance to prove themselves first.
Oh, listen, Simon, thanks so much. I think we laid out the groundwork. We understand both sides of it. I appreciate it. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.
All right, coming up straight ahead.